All right, boys. Trade recap of the day. We have, we took one trade. We got one win, so 1 for 1 today. Super clean setup. Like, honestly, it was textbook. The RR was phenomenal. Um, Probably could have even had better risk to reward, to be honest. But um, yeah, all good all around. I mean, I'll go over why I took it and then a little bit more in depth on the bias for the morning. But so real quick, I did see some setups in the Asia session last night because I was really just looking to see if I can see it on this. Uh, I was really looking to see this 4 hour get filled, and I was trying to take some shorts down to it, but I kept getting break even. Um, yeah, there's that. But yeah, this morning for let's go into here. We had Asia lows below us, and then we also had that unfilled 4 hour that I really liked. I really wanted to see price start to draw towards that a little bit more because ES was already pretty ahead during that time. So I kind of just wanted to see NQ, just dump and follow pretty much was my full plan for the day. However, if we had this 1 hour gap above too, once it opened, um, I knew that if we really started to displace past that, then that would kind of be the last place I want to see price, move higher if I was going to stay bearish. Um, but yeah, so this is open. So open, we come right up, and then now we're inside of this 5 minute, and it's actually there's two 5 minutes. So like technically it's just like one big combined one right here. So now that we're in this, I told myself this is a beautiful sweep of relative equal highs as well, inside of those gaps. Then we started to see some exhaustion too with the candles. Like see all these wicks. This is a really good sign that price wants to go lower, especially when it's followed by a displacement candle such like as this one right here. And then I believe the next candle, yep, we inverse this, and I don't think it was the 2 minute was so small, like barely even open. So I just went off these two 1 minutes here to get my entry. Waited for the close there. Beautiful close, two candles, and then fortunately as well, we got a really nice entry on it too, a good fill and everything. So risking about 700. I could have put my stop, at the body or whatever, but honestly, if price came back up here, I really didn't want to see that because we've kind of been chopping, so I didn't want to see price come back up and still retest this level. Then target was just down to Asia lows, and yeah, this is honestly like the most textbook continuation that you can have. Um, you know, I told my student he actually wasn't able to take this. His trading view was like all bugging out on him, but he was able to recognize it too. So I was extremely proud for him. Uh, he's already like progressing crazy fast too. So very happy for that as well. And yeah, we can see this play out. Huge displacement candle there. When break even, I was extremely confident we weren't going to come back up, and we didn't. And we TP'd right at Asia low for a perfect, clean trade. No green candles. All just straight dump, which is pretty perfect in my opinion. And yeah, that was the trade for today. Now there was one last trade that you could have taken. We can go over this real quick. I think it was there was this 5 minute that had opened. I believe it was this one. Yeah, we had the 5 minute tap, and then we ended up getting this inverse here. Now the fill was a little rough, but I mean honestly, you could have still entered here because we never took out this low, and that would be the break-even point. And then I think probably could have just held for like a 1 to 1, and this would have played out very nicely as well. And break even would be at that low, and boom, yeah. So that was another little continuation trade you could have taken because I think we really just dumped today. I'm not too sure what the market is doing right now. Yeah, we're probably just chopping around for the rest of the day, but yeah, that was the morning. Super clean. Very happy with it. Journaled everything. And yeah, boys. Hopefully, I can catch you boys tomorrow for another trade recap. Real quick, I think tomorrow we have 8:30 news, yeah, unemployment claims, and then we also have jolts at 10. So should be a pretty exciting morning once again. And yeah, hopefully I can catch you boys tomorrow for another recap. Peace out.